Just a taste of some of what I heard. So I went out to the lobby of the skating rink, found a woman nearby and asked her if she was with the boys in Subway, which she was, and then I told her to follow me. The look on the boys' faces when she let out her angered screech after listening to them was friggin' priceless. She made the boys pay for their own food. One boy didn't get to finish making his sandwich. Wrap it up how it is and he'll pay for it. And from what I gathered as she practically dragged them out of there was the boys who weren't hers, she was going to speak to their parents, followed by strong protests as she told them to pack their crap. As she was taking them home early, I left the girls at Subway a nice tip, and they gave me a cookie. Never fuck with an angry mom.